So what you're looking at is an RJ45 splitter. This is an RJ45 port, and this splits it in two RJ45 ports. But this one has a different use. Of course, you could use it to split one RJ45 connection to two connections, but there's another use that you basically connect two connections to this thing and get one single connection out of it. You might say it's pretty dumb, but people in organizations and other various things, like they of course use a switch for that, but where somewhere where you want to be, like you want to save costs, you use this as a failover, so you always get your internet whenever you need it. So yeah, thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.